Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Noah. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. As you can see, this problem is the first problem that are ADDIS University student assignment from assignment 6. Neglect the diameter of a small pulley attached to body A and determine the magnitude of the total velocity of B in terms of velocity of A, which body A has to the right. Assume that the cable between B and the pulley remain vertical. Solve for the given value of X. As you can see, this problem is from constrained motions, so we can use the concept of that and simply solve this problem. When you can see the free body diagram of this problem, we get like this. Here we have height H and we have the total length is L. In this direction we have the velocity of A. Here we have block B and we have the vertical distance Y. So by using this problem, we can this free body diagram, we can get the total length is L, which means L, as you can see here, this L has we form a right angle triangle with this. We can use this equation and simply get the equation of L, which means L squared equals to X squared plus H squared. Differentiating the equation once we with respect to time, we will get 2 times L derivative is equals to 2 times X derivative plus 0, which means 2 cancelled by 2, we will get L times L derivative equals to X times X derivative. From this we can get this L derivative which is equals to X times X derivative over L, which means I will get Y derivative is equals to I and velocity of B in the Y, which means this value, and we'll get X times X derivative and velocity of B in the Y is equals to this X derivative is simply the velocity of A, and you can get velocity of By in terms of velocity of A like this. So when calculating the velocity of B in terms of A, velocity of B, also you can use this value, this Bp squared equals to X squared plus Bpy squared, and substitute the value X plus Ba over L. We can get here for By and Ba for Bpx. Then we can simply substitute the value here, and after simplifying it, we will get Ba times under radical 1 plus X over L whole square is equals to Ba times under radical X square plus L over L square, and we will get we will simplify this problem, and finally we will get this value. It is a matter of substitution. You can simplify the value, and finally you will get the velocity of B in terms of velocity of A, which means the velocity of B is increased at a factor of this value, so velocity of B is greater than velocity of A. We can simply calculate the velocity of B in terms of velocity of A like this. If you have any question, you can put it in a comment section. Next we'll do question number 2. Until that, have a nice day.